Looking for smart ways to save space and stay organized in a small kitchen? These Amazon finds are designed to maximize every inch of storage, cut down on clutter, and make cooking easier. Let's check out the best space-saving solutions for small kitchens. This hanging storage container keeps dishwasher pods organized and within easy reach with a flip-down bin that holds over 50 pods. The top tray adds extra storage for sponges and brushes, and it's removable for simple cleaning. A sturdy steel bracket fits neatly over cabinet doors with soft padding to prevent scratches. With no tools or installation required, it's a quick and durable way to maximize small kitchen space. These expandable bamboo drawer dividers turn messy drawers into neatly organized spaces in seconds. Made from 100% sustainable bamboo, they're durable, eco-friendly, and built to last longer than traditional dividers. The spring-loaded design with silicone pads keeps them securely in place without scratching. Perfect for small kitchen drawers, they give you total control over how you organize utensils and tools. This 4-pack spice organizer is the perfect way to maximize every inch of small kitchen cabinet space. The sturdy risers neatly stack spices, jars, and plates, keeping everything visible and within easy reach. Made from durable PT material, each shelf supports up to 11 pounds while maintaining a sleek, clutter-free look. With no installation required, it's a quick and simple upgrade that instantly creates more room in tight kitchens. This set of vacuum-sealed food storage containers keeps food fresh longer while saving precious fridge and pantry space. With 3 stackable sizes, they're perfect for meal prepping, leftovers, and fresh produce without creating clutter. Made from durable glass, they're BPA-free, leak-proof, and easy to clean. Their sleek design makes organizing small kitchens simple and efficient. This 4-pack olive oil dispenser set keeps bottles neatly stored in one compact wooden holder, saving valuable counter and cabinet space. Each glass bottle is protected with a stainless steel shell and designed with a non-drip spout for clean, precise pouring. The included funnel and labels make refilling and organizing effortless. Perfect for small kitchens, it keeps oils, vinegar, and sauces accessible without wasting space. This magnetic stove shelf instantly creates extra storage space by turning unused space above your stove into a handy organizer. Perfect for spices, oils, and condiments. It attaches in seconds with strong magnets, no drilling or installation required. The stainless steel design is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Sized to fit most stoves, it frees up cabinet and counter space while keeping essentials within reach. This stainless steel hanging trash can mounts directly on cabinet doors, walls, or under the sink, keeping floors clear in small kitchens. The sealed lid locks in odors and blocks fruit flies, while the rust-proof design is built to last. A removable inner bucket makes emptying and cleaning quick and easy. Compact and efficient, it's the ideal way to manage waste without losing space. This set of 4 lid holders mounts on cabinet doors or inside deep drawers, keeping pot and pan lids organized without cluttering shelves. Each holder fits small to medium lids between 6 and 9.5 inches, making them easy to grab when cooking. Installation is simple with strong 3M adhesive, no tools needed. Compact and sturdy, they help free up cabinet space in tight kitchens. This rolling kitchen island expands your workspace with a foldable drop-leaf countertop that opens up for meal prep or serving. Built with drawers, cabinets, and a tilt-out trash bin, it organizes everything from utensils to appliances. The sturdy locking wheels let you move it anywhere and keep it stable during use. Compact yet multifunctional, it transforms small kitchens into flexible, organized spaces. This bamboo spice rack neatly organizes spice jars that usually clutter drawers and cabinets, saving valuable space in small kitchens. Its 3-tier design holds multiple jars while keeping them visible and easy to grab. Built from eco-friendly bamboo, it's sturdy, smooth, and ready to use with no assembly required. Compact and versatile, it fits on countertops, inside drawers, or cabinets for a cleaner, more efficient kitchen. This rolling utility cart adds vertical storage to small kitchens with 6 spacious drawers for utensils, pantry items, or tools. The sturdy wooden tabletop provides extra prep or appliance space, while the steel frame ensures lasting durability. Smooth 360 turd wheels make it easy to move, and locking brakes keep it steady during use. Compact and versatile, it's a smart way to maximize storage without taking up too much room. This 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer turns unused door space into high-capacity storage for spices, cans, and bottles. The adjustable baskets make it easy to store both short jars and tall containers while keeping everything visible. Built with a strong metal frame and secure guardrails, it stays stable with every open and close. It's a simple, space-saving solution for instantly expanding your pantry in a small kitchen.